Today I'm trying Zendaya's curly hair routine. It's super minimalistic, but does it work for all hair types? Let's find out. Hey, I'm Honest Liz, the curly hair stylist who've tried it all. Now here's what Zendaya does. She washes her hair, combs soaking wet hair with a white tooth comb, applies a generous amount of this product. This is Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls. It's a hair lotion. If you're going to try her method, I would say use a silicone-free hair cream. Then she dries her hair with a microfiber towel first and then diffuses until her hair is fully dry. Okay, this is literally taking forever. I don't like to use my hands so much. So I'm just going to use my hack. Okay, if you're interested, make sure you buy the viral diffuser. That's from Brazil. Don't buy dupes. That's it. There's no pre-treatment. There's no layers of product. She keeps it simple. And it looked great for a couple of hours. I even took client calls and my clients also gave me compliments. I got compliments on that hair, but to be honest, it did not work for me. It could be because I'm using different products than Zendaya. She used products with silicones. I used products from BounceCurl. Or it could be because of our texture. She has fine to medium textured hair. I have really thick and coarse hair and different curl pattern also. Now my hair is low porosity, it's coarse, and it definitely needs more moisture, especially after using a clarifying shampoo. Felt very moisturized in some places, it wasn't moisturized in other places. So for this experiment, I had used BounceCurl clarifying shampoo and conditioner because Zendaya just washed her hair with shampoo and conditioner. So I just wanted to replicate it. But my hair felt too squeaky clean to just end it with a conditioner. So I tried the routine again, but with a little tweak. So keep watching. I'll tell you exactly how to make it work. This time I didn't shampoo my hair because I had already used a clarifying shampoo in the daytime. So in the evening when I rinsed my hair out, I used the BounceCurl co-wash. It's called the Hydra Dench co-wash conditioner. So I rinsed and I immediately applied the BounceCurl Ayurvedic mask. And I had not masked in a very long time. What my daughter said to me really caught my eye. She said, hey mama, do you do everything showers? I'm like, how do you know about that? So I'm like, you know those long showers that I take once in a while? Yeah, I'm mostly doing my hair, but everything showers, it's difficult to do because of the time, how much time it needs. So that reminded me that it's been a while since I actually had a very long shower for my hair. So I decided to keep the mask on for a full episode of The Office, about 20 minutes. And when I removed I also made sure that I put a heat cap on and it was nice and warm inside. And when I removed the heat cap, I saw that my hair had soaked in everything, absolutely drank it up. And I still wanted to continue the minimalist routine that Zendaya had with just using a curl cream. Now, using the BounceCurl cream made so much sense because the curl cream will be able to hold the moisture in my hair. Now, simply raking in the cream and scrunching does not work for my texture. If you have thick coarse texture like mine and curly hair, then you might need a little bit more manipulation than just raking and scrunching. So this time I decided to go in and brush style my hair. I used the BounceCurl Edge Lift Define brush and it's pink. I'm finally in my pink era. Brush styled my hair in different sections, in different directions. I was very intentional. I still was kind of doing the Zendaya routine because she did use the curl cream generously. So I also used the BounceCurl hair clump and define cream generously and I brushed it and I diffused all the way. And you know what? I found that it only took me 10 minutes to diffuse. That never happens. Usually it takes way longer for my hair to dry, but this time it dried faster. And here's what I noticed. When your hair is nicely hydrated and moisturized, which mine was because I did the hair mask, my hair was already hydrated and moisturized so much that the water didn't have any business. It didn't have to stay to help me. So it evaporated quickly and I was able to diffuse. And last night, this is how my hair looked right after I had diffused 10 minutes. There was still a little bit pieces that were kind of damp. So I left it to air dry. And then I went to bed in a bonnet. And this is how I woke up. Look at it. Look at the definition. Last night my husband saw my hair and he's like, it looks like you're going to a party. I was like, yeah, this is the party. Watching Office, comfortably sitting in my bed, having my night tea. But yeah, look at how shiny it is. And I don't know if you can see, but my hair feels so soft. And I really think it was the mask was the hero of this wash day, and the curl cream just held on to the moisture that the mask gave. Now here are the tweaks that I made. I brush styled. Zendaya did not brush style. She used the cream generously and she just raked it and worked it in, yeah, with her fingers. I used the brush, which frankly gave me better curl clumps and much better definition than the way I had done raked in. There's a time and place for the rake in and scrunch easy lazy styling. Like I would do that if I know that I'm going to wash my hair anyway the next day, like it doesn't matter. But for the sake of this experiment, I had used one of my favorite brands and I hated the fact that it didn't work, so I had to redo it with tweaks. Moral of the story, the Zendaya routine can be so simple. It looks so simple and easy, but what works for her may work for you with a little tweaks. So it could be the techniques or the hair products. For me, using that mask in between the routine really did it for me. So if you try a celebrity hair routine and it didn't work for you, don't give up. Just try it again with little tweaks to suit your hair needs. And if you want me to try another viral routine, let me know in the comments which one. I wanted to show you, I just came back from the gym and I had my hair up in a pineapple and everything is still there. And this is after a sweaty workout. My hair feels so clean, so light and so defined. Yay. Yes, to Zendaya routine, minimalistic, doable, sure, depends on your hair type. I love that this routine has took me out of my comfort zone and I am comfortable using just one product in my hair, just cream. There was no need to layer with a mousse or a gel, anything, not even a hairspray. There's not even a hairspray in here. If you've tried this routine, how did it go? Did it work? Would love to hear your results, especially what curl cream did you use for your hair. And if you're confused about what your hair needs, I offer one-on-one coaching and a curly hair products guide that actually work for your hair type.